Hello, friends. Then let's talk about Bitcoin. We have quite an interesting picture forming here, interesting for the bulls. We see a consistent demand on every pullback, and thus we have formed a whole series of higher lows, which, as we know, is a fairly serious sign that resistance could be broken, and the cryptocurrency could potentially grow even further. The immediate target could be the psychological level of 80,000. From there, a bounce is possible back to these levels, which will then serve as support. And if the 80,000 mark is broken, then growth towards 84 or 85,000 is very much possible, followed by entering a consolidation phase and range trading. Today, we see that the bulls attempt to break resistance was unsuccessful again. But if we take another detailed look at mTracer, here we see on the daily chart, on the daily time frame, there is still a very strong and clear signal to buy. Demand on the weekly time frame also continues to stay at a very high level. That is to say, large-scale whales continue to accumulate their holdings. And on the monthly time frame, although it is not quite 100%, the indicator is nevertheless remaining quite high. Thus, the chances for growth remain very strong. But I want to warn you that any kind of geopolitical war, like the one we see in Iran now, poses a certain significant threat to the stability of the global economy. And against the backdrop of slowing economic growth rates, both globally and, say, in the US or the Eurozone, demand for risky assets can naturally decrease. Therefore, bulls should still be extremely cautious.